Hey friends, pineapples were on sale. I just got 5 of them and we're going to can them up. Pineapple is something, when I catch it on a really good deal, I will absolutely can it up. And the funny thing is, last time I canned it, I canned 50 something jars. And my husband just used the last one 2 weeks ago. So I grabbed these 5 because it was a limit of 5. And we're going to can them up. Go ahead and get that ball blue book because we go by safe proven methods here. We're not rebel canners. So you're just going to start off by cutting up your pineapple. So cut, core them, do all the things, and put them in about 1/2 inch cubes. I actually save my cores because I make them into pineapple vinegar. So these will get used. Now, if you don't make vinegar, you can still use these cores and go ahead and put them through a juicer to get out the juice. You're going to need to get your cold packer, some people call it, on boiling water bath going. It's going to be 15 minutes for pints and 20 for quarts. While you're bringing your canner up to boiling water, you're also going to heat your pineapple. Now you will need liquids cupping your pineapple, so you can do that by having pineapple juice, making like an extra light syrup with honey or sugar or whatever you choose. Once your pineapple's hot, we're going to begin to put it in your jars. Remember, it's going to be 15 minutes for pints and 20 minutes for quarts. They do require a 1/2 inch headspace, so we're just going to fill this up, make sure that the liquid is covering the top, debubble it, apply our ring and lid and ring, and then we're going to put it in the water bath canner. Always make sure you have a rack in the bottom of your canner. You don't want the glass touching the bottom. And then lower your jars into it. I make sure mine's like simmering but not boiling because you don't want a big difference in the temperature of the jar, even though this was hot and boiling, or you could crack the glass. You can use any pot, any kettle, anything you want that you have a lid for, and that the water comes up 1 inch above the top of the jars. So we're going to put the lid on. We're going to wait till it comes to a boil. We don't start timing until it comes to a boil again with the jars in. If you love canning, go ahead and check out my other videos in my canning album and tell me your favorite thing to can. Thanks for liking, sharing, and commenting. Once the 20 minutes is done, you're going to take it out. You're going to let these sit for a full 24 hours. At that time, you're going to take off the ring. You're going to wash it completely down, label it, and put it away. Be sure you always take off your rings and you thoroughly wash, because food particles do come out on the outside of these jars due to the pressure. Y'all have a blessed day.